Hello students, myself Mrs. Prachi Kalpande from Pravin Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will discuss about experiment number 3, uh, that is to install EDA tool for VLSI application from subject VLSI 22062. Now we'll understand the practical significance of this practical. The electronic design automation, that is EDA tool, develops software to support engineers in creation of new integrated circuits. So if you want to design an integrated circuit, EDA helps a lot. Then due to high complexity of the modern designs, EDA touches almost every aspect of the IC design, from high level system design to fabrication. EDA address designers' needs at multiple levels of electronic system hierarchy, including integrated circuit, multiple chip modules, and printed circuit boards. Now, by this practical, the skills which will be developed by you are, that is, you would be able to install the EDA tool for VLSI applications, and how to use the EDA tool in the implementation of various applications. So we will be actually installing Xilinx ISE. So Xilinx ISE Integrated Circuits Environment is a software tool produced by Xilinx for synthesis and analysis of hardware description language designs. It enables the developer to synthesize, that means to compile their designs, perform timing analysis, examine RTL diagrams, simulate a design's reactions to different stimuli, and configure the target device with the programmer. Xilinx ISE is a design environment for FPGA products from Xilinx, and it's tightly coupled to the architecture of such chips and cannot be used with FPGA products from other vendors. The Xilinx ISE is primarily used for circuit synthesis and design, while iSIM for the or the model same logic simulator is used for system level testing. So basically, Xilinx ISE is a EDA tool which we will be installing. So using this by this practical you will be able to install Xilinx ISE. The basic requirement is you need a desktop PC and EDA tool. So the version of Xilinx is Xilinx version 14.7. So the first step is, once you get the Xilinx software, so the first step is to click on the setup file to install. So these are the different steps which we are going to see right now to install Xilinx software. The first step is Xilinx installer welcome screen. So this is the first welcome screen. So click next. Then you will be able to see Xilinx license agreement window. This is first page of that agreement. So click next. This is the second page of Xilinx agreement window. Here also click next. Then select the product to install. So here you can see the product which you are going to select is ISE Design Suite System Edition, and then select next. And these are the installation options, where all options you are going to select. So you have to select all 4 options, and then next. Then select destination path. So where you want to store the software. So that path you are going to select here. So drive depends. So basically we select C drive. Then next. So this is installation summary options. Then you can see install button here. So click on that, and after that the installation process will start. And as the installation is complete, then it will show a window like this, key install completed, and then click the finish button. Now once the installation is done, then is the next software, that is the license soft copy. There you have to open, and you will get a license configuration window as shown. Then in the license configuration window you have to select the fourth option, and then you can see the Xilinx initiate window like this, and the EDA tool is installed completely afterwards. So this is all about the installation of the EDA tool Xilinx ISE. Thank you.